Hello everyone, welcome to our Mesa Accessories presentation. My name is Philip and this is Chandler. We're on the inside sales team here at Juniper Systems. Today we're going to talk about a little bit about our favorite Mesa accessories and some of the more popular ones that Juniper Systems provides. Please be aware that all of our Mesa accessories that we'll show today will work for the Mesa 2 as well as the Mesa 3. Here's Chandler to kick us off with our first one.
Awesome. Thanks, Phil. So to get started, I want to talk about our office dock and show you guys why it's one of the most versatile accessories that we have and one of my personal favorites. So the reason why I love the dock so much is its versatility. Again, it has 3 USBs, 1 HDMI, and an Ethernet port. And the best part about it is you can turn your Mesa tablet into a desktop PC with the click of a button. Let me show you how that works. So you take your tablet, you simply slide it down onto the dock, and within seconds it's going to go onto the monitor. And you can use up to 2 monitors at a time with your Mesa. And so essentially you can have your office on the go. Next, I want to talk about our lock-in vehicle dock. There's actually 2 different versions. Let me grab those. So first, we have the powered dock, and then we have the non-powered. The difference between the two, obviously the powered, you're able to charge your Mesa 2 inside a vehicle. It also comes with a car charger, and then the non-powered, obviously you can't charge it. Let me show you guys how easy it is to lock it into place here. So you take your unit, you pop it in, and then you have this tab here that you simply press down, and there's actually a button here at the bottom that you're going to press. Locks it into place so you know that your device is secure inside your vehicle. To unlock it, you're going to take the keys. You're going to insert at the bottom here, and with the turn of the key, you're going to be able to pop it right back out. One thing to keep in mind too is these are individually keyed, and so you're going to want to keep track of them for your dock here. Okay. So next I want to talk about our vehicle charger. It's pretty straightforward, just like you would charge your phone inside your vehicle. You're going to be able to charge your Mesa 2 or Mesa 3 with the vehicle charger. It already has an 8 to 10 hour battery life, but it's going to be able to extend that life that much more with the vehicle charger.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about the removable battery charger. What this allows you to do is to charge a second removable battery from your Mesa tablet, either in your office or in your vehicle as you're on the go, you're out doing work. You can have that second battery in your vehicle charging. In case your day runs long, you've got to go past the 8 to 10 hours that this battery will run. Simply slide it into the charger, lock it in. It plugs in with the barrel connector, works with our vehicle charger, as well as the wall charger that comes with your Mesa. The next thing is the survey pole mount. Works with your RAM mounts. You can mount it with a lot of the different RAM mount solutions that we have. It's a very simple, quick, secure way of mounting your Mesa to anything. You simply slide that Mesa in there, locks it in there. You can mount this to ATVs, survey poles, in your vehicle, any of the other carrying options that we have, as well as I've mounted it to a motorcycle. It does take a beating, keeps it up there, keeps it secure. Here it is. Here it is mounted up to the survey pole, so that you can see with our RAM mount solutions that we have. Go out and do your work, paired with the geode here with the survey pole that we provide, you're good to go. The next accessory I want to go over is the 4-point harness. It allows you to connect your Mesa and carry it hands-free while still keeping it with you and being able to easy to get to. So you just kind of slip it on your shoulders, and it tucks tightly to your body. As you can see, it stays tight. And then to get to it, you just pull the top straps, and it puts it into the tablet, or you can use it that way. And then to put it back tight to your body, you just grab the bottom straps, pull back tight, and you're good to go. The 2-point harness allows you to attach the Mesa 2. You can attach it either portrait or landscape. It allows you a sling style carrying. You can either go right over your shoulder, or you can go right across your body. Either way, it just puts that Mesa into the same position every time. You're easy to carry and easy to go.
Okay, so to follow up with that, I want to go over the flip cover case and the advantages you might have by using it. Phil, grab that for me real quick. Thank you. So every flip cover case does come with the shoulder strap. And what's nice about this is it allows for easy carry. And like Phil, I like to flip it over just like this. And you're going to find this case particularly useful when you find yourself in heavily forested areas or brush. It's going to keep your rugged device that much more rugged. And it's easy to use. It just has a Velcro strap here. You flip that right open. You're able to collect your data. Once you're done, close it right back up, secure it on the Velcro strap, put it to your side here, and you're able to go about your day. Okay, so next I want to talk about the stylus options. We actually have 3 different options depending on the what kind of environment you find yourself in. So first, we have the grounded stylus. And this particular stylus is useful if you find yourself in extremely cold environments or wearing thick gloves. You actually plug it in right into the bottom of your device here, and you're going to be able to collect data no problem. The next 2 styluses that I want to talk about actually come with each individual Mesa unit included. The first being the capacitive stylus. This is going to be used when you find yourself in wet or rainy conditions. There's actually a wet profile inside the device that you set. You're then going to use the capacitive stylus, and even in a rainstorm, you'll be able to collect the data just fine. And then finally, you have the hard tip stylus. It's garaged inside every individual unit, and this is just going to be used for your everyday use. If you prefer this over using your finger to do your job, that works great too.
The next one I want to talk about is our pistol grip and pistol grip case. The pistol grip was designed for use cases where you have heavy barcode scanning, where you need to have the ability to be able to just pull trigger and go. The pistol grip has a few key features I want to go over real quick. It has captive screws, so that means they're not going to fall out if they do come undone, as well as a 2-stage trigger, and then a grip on the very bottom, just in case it gets into a situation where your hands are wet or oily or dusty, or it can get a little bit slippery. The 2-stage trigger gives you an aiming point for you know exactly which barcode you're scanning. Then go ahead and finish pulling that trigger. It gives you a barcode scan. The Mesa will give you a sound for unsuccessful or a successful barcode scan. We also have the carrying case for it, specifically designed to get around the bottom of the barcode. Locks it in. You can even have a strap to lock it on there. Then it does have these belt loops, so you can put it on your belt for some quick draw action while you're doing your barcode scanning. The next one is the Mesa keyboard. The Mesa keyboard gives you the ability to add a physical keyboard to your Mesa device. It comes with some little marks on there, and you line it up to your orange bumpers, and then you just line that up, it sets it on there, and it gives you that ability to have that tactile feel of physical keys for those instances where you can't use the touch screen. So one of the key features is it does give you the ability to mount it up to a RAM ball mount, and you can attach it to the survey pole just like the survey pole mount does for the Mesa. And then it also gives the battery. There is no battery for the keyboard. It runs off the battery off the Mesa and does not affect the run life of your Mesa removable battery.
All right, so that's going to conclude our Mesa accessories presentation. Feel free to reach out with any questions on pricing or availability. You can reach us at junipersys.com. That's junipersys.com. We also have live chat available. Thank you again for taking some time and learning a little bit more about our accessories. We hope you've been able to learn some more about these accessories and how they can help you get the most out of your Mesa. We'll look forward to hearing from you, and thanks again for tuning in.